Religion is not a department of life, it is something that enters into the whole of it. Wars based on principle are far more destructive. The attacker will not destroy that which he is after. The moralist is the person who tells people that they ought to be unselfish, when they still feel like egos, and his efforts are always and invariably futile. If you study the writings of the mystics, you will always find things in them that appear to be paradoxes, as in Zen, particularly. The difficulty for most of us in the modern world is that the old-fashioned idea of God has become incredible or implausible. Religion is not a department of life, it is something that enters into the whole of it. In known history, nobody has had such capacity for altering the universe than the people of the United States of America. And nobody has gone about it in such an aggressive way. But we try to pretend, you see, that the external world exists altogether independently of us. And although our bodies are bounded with skin, and we can differentiate between outside and inside, they cannot exist except in a certain kind of natural environment. The myths underlying our culture and underlying our common sense have not taught us to feel identical with the universe, but only parts of it, only in it, only confronting it, aliens. So the Bodhisattva saves all beings, not by preaching sermons to them, but by showing them that they are delivered, they are liberated, by the act of not being able to stop changing. And the attitude of faith is the very opposite of clinging to belief, of holding on. But at any rate, the point is that God is what nobody admits to being, and everybody really is. Some believe all that parents, tutors, and kindred believe. They take their principles by inheritance, and defend them as they would their estates, because they are born heirs to them. Some believe all that parents, tutors, and kindred believe. They take their principles by inheritance, and defend them as they would their estates, because they are born heirs to them. What the devil is the point of surviving, going on living, when it's a drag. But you see, that's what people do.